The current financial market is in a very unique time and space, with historically low interest rates and inflation at levels we haven't seen in more than 40 years. Luckily, we caught up with the experts at American Savings Bank for some tips that can help.
I mean, the market is very interesting right now. There's things we haven't seen since the early 80s as inflation, and there's things we've never seen on the speculation and risk appetite front. I guess you can kind of consolidate down to like three main things. First off, you have low interest rates that have been low for quite a while now. And then you have inflation, which is quite rampant. So you're getting ready to see the Federal Reserve begin a tightening process. So they're going to increase interest rates to kind of dampen out inflation. When rates start to rise, that it can affect investment portfolios like your 401k or your IRA. You think about the two largest purchases an individual makes in their life, and that would be like a home or car, right? So if inflation is rampant and you have interest rates going up, your purchasing power is dampened. The cost of that car and that home are more each month, basically. So I mean, you basically think of inflation as robbing your purchasing power. And we're seeing inflation rise every month, and this is through what's called the CPI, the Consumer Price Index. That's like the goods and services we purchase. It's getting more every month. So you go to the grocery store, it's more expensive. You go to the gas station, it costs more to fill up the tank. And then it's also in what's called the PPI, the Producer Price Index. So the companies that make our goods and services, their input costs are going up, which trickles down to us, the consumers. We offer complimentary risk reviews. So if you have an investment portfolio, it doesn't even have to be with us. We can look at it, see how it's performing for you. And this can be done at American Savings Investments, which I'm part of, which are located at American Savings Bank. The main thing is the stress test. We take a portfolio, take a look at it, see how aggressive it is, see how it's going to perform in this inflationary environment, this environment where interest rates are going to start to potentially rise here coming up, and see how it can do. Because my main job is to see where customers are right now and where they want to be and put together that plan that gets them there. The first step is to contact us so I can educate, teach our clients about how to invest going into the future, basically how to achieve their financial dreams. American Savings Bank has been around since 1925. We're talking 100 years now serving the Hawaii community. And our mission is here in Hawaii with the local community. In this current environment, the volatility, speculation out there, you don't want to be on the sidelines and cash so much because that could have detrimental impact on your long-term goals. So seeking the advice of a wealth advisor is definitely well worth the effort, for sure. And I contact a financial professional or wealth advisor with American Savings Investment Services. Two easy ways. Phone number is 808-735-1717 or asbhawaii.com/investments.
Brought to you by American Savings Bank.
Aloha mai kako. Thanks for watching the Hi Now YouTube channel. Hey, do me a favor. While you're here, go ahead, click that subscribe button. That way you can stay up to date with all the latest information about everything going on here in Hawaii. Where to go, what to do, where to eat, and where to shop. And don't forget, we'll see you all at HiNowDaily.com.